This is probably going to be a quick vlog today because I'm going to put dinner on right now. I'm going to do some sous vide cooking. And you guys, I have fallen in love with this sous vide. I'll show it to you guys in a minute. I think I've shown it a couple of times on some of my videos, but I'm going to sous vide this pork tenderloin. And this is an applewood smoked bacon flavored already. It's already a flavored one. One of my sponsors from a while ago, Prairie Fresh sent me this in addition to some other things, and I haven't cooked this up yet. It's already seasoned and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repackage this and then put it in the sous vide and let it go for a few hours, and then just put something, a quick vegetable with it, and that's going to be dinner. So something I don't have to do a whole lot to. And then I'm going to be working on another DIY project, guys, and it is so cute. I cannot wait to share it with you. So I'm going to be doing that today. I don't think it'll take too long, but we shall see. So let me go ahead and get this pork tenderloin in the sous vide, and then I'm going to get started with my little DIY gifting project. DIY, I'm making a hot honey. So again, most of these DIYs are going to be for the foodie lovers in your life. And this one is no exception. This is a hot honey that makes a wonderful condiment. It goes great on so many things. You can put it on things like buttered rolls all the way to fried chicken. It is absolutely delicious. If you've never had hot honey before, I recommend you try it. It also goes great with brie cheese if you want to get together a charcuterie board for the holidays. Put a little hot honey on some brie. It is so delicious. And this recipe is so easy. Let me show you how to put it together. So I'm starting off with a small saucepan. To the saucepan, I'm going to add some honey. All right, so that was a half a cup of honey. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn my burner on now. I'm putting it on medium heat. And I'm also going to add to this some red pepper flakes going in. All right, and so what I'm going to do is bring this to a simmer. We're allowing the red pepper flakes to infuse the honey. That's what we're looking for. So let me see that. So I'm gonna just stir this in while it's heating up. And again, allow these red pepper flakes to infuse our honey. All right, you'll notice the viscosity of the honey has changed. It's more liquidy now. It's a lot runnier. That's because it's been heated. Also to this, before it comes to a boil, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Can't forget the salt. And then let it come not to a boil, but to a simmer. Okay, now you see our honey is at a light simmer. So what I'm going to do now is turn my burner off. Now to this, I'm going to add apple cider vinegar and give it a stir. And then that's it. We're going to set this to the side and let it cool. And then we have some delicious hot honey. We're going to package this up in a really cute jar. And that's it. This is going to be a fabulous gift for that foodie in your life. They are going to love it. Hot honey is just amazing. All right, y'all, so here is the finished product. This is the hot honey, and this is how I packaged it up. Just something really simple and really cute. This is one of those little ornaments that I had purchased at Walmart the other day. I thought it would go really cute on there, and it does. So this is it, you all. It's delicious and makes a wonderful Christmas gift for, again, for that foodie that's in your life, whether your family, friends, coworkers, your child's teacher, your teacher, whomever. Great gift for anyone that just loves foods. It's a great condiment. So I did try it with a piece of bread, a piece of toast. So delicious. And it is a little bit spicy. I have to say, it's a little bit spicy. So I'll have the exact recipe below in the description box. So I encourage you guys to give this little recipe a try. It is fabulous. All right, y'all, water got in my little bag, the first one that I put this in. So I took the pork loin out, or the tenderloin out, and I put it in one of my food saver bags. So it's actually been going for about 2 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and sear it on up, and go ahead and get dinner started and finished already. So I'll show you guys how I do that. All right, so I've got my burner on medium heat, and I'm just going to add some olive oil to the bottom of my skillet. Get that all moved around. The pork tenderloin. I did let it sit in the oven for a bit. Let me let you guys see what it looks like. Put in that juice there. And there it is. And again, this is Applewood smoked bacon pork tenderloin, and it smells so unbelievably delicious. All right, and this is going to be dinner. I got my husband some corn over there. He loves some corn, y'all. So we're gonna have this and some corn, and we're gonna call that dinner. Okay, everybody, that is it for today, Vlogmas day number 8. I hope you guys enjoyed my little recipe on the hot honey. It is so delicious, and I really hope you guys give it a try. Guys, it is always a pleasure. Thank you so much for joining me for my Vlogmases. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous weekend, and I'm going to talk to you in tomorrow's vlog right here on Sincerely Virginia. Bye.